Is it or no?
I think so.
Yeah, it's a little dark. Shocker, they actually stayed quiet. Right?
Yeah.
I have a question. Are they your sisters, the little ones?
They're my little cousins.
Ah. What was that?
I don't know.
There he comes. Oh, not wearing your overalls. I've never seen you in shorts, I don't think. I think I have once. What kind of firework was that? It just sounded like a rumble.
I don't know.
Have you ever chugged a whole Mountain Dew? I have.
I have to.
Boom. What?
I don't know.
That's why you have the flashlight.
Only got 2 fucking hands.
Where are y'all going? Justin, stay back.
Gonna go blow ourselves up.
Jack! Just it's upstairs.
Yeah, Dad. I want to smoke. I want to s'more. I don't want to make one.
Well, the fire is almost out, anyways.
Make one out of the lighters.
Hmm.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No.
Two.
There's more hands, so he can just.
Mm.
Are you a fan of Star Wars or no?
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I love Star Wars.
I like Star Wars too. I used to be really into it, and then I got to get myself back into it.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Dude, I went in I think a pawn shop. No, I went to some store. I don't know if I went in the store today. No, it was, no, it was, I thought I'd go to the flea market. Another day ago, I went to the flea market with my dad. I seen like a stormtrooper, and it was really cool. But it wasn't for sale.
Really?
Yeah. When it's the school days, it's the worst. When it's like the school days, when kids are going to school on the buses, it's the worst because there's like, you have to go like by the soccer fields to get out. I don't know why, but I love the smell of gunpowder.
Me too.
And the smell of gasoline.
I like the smell of diesel.
Me too.
It's just, for some reason, it's just satisfying. I don't know why.
It's like ASMR.
It can't be like that. Yeah.
There's a pig.
Huh?
There's a pig.
Yeah.
It's a blue pig.
Oh yeah, I seen that. Yeah, yeah.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole! Damn. Triple kill. Fallout.
That's the gunpowder falling. Gunpowder falling. Dude, I always made that voice when I was in school.
Did you?
Yeah.
Nice.
I always scared the people.
Nice.
Dude, when I was in school and I had my morning voice, dude, crazy. I was like, if you want to get your 4 trucks, get them today.
That's funny.
Coming this summer.
That's actually a pretty good impression
Thank you.
of the narrator. Like,
Why is there a cow on the fridge?
It's haunted.
I don't know.
So my friend is actually a paranormal.
Not adopted.
Fire in the hole!
That smells dog shit.
Damn!
Nailed it.
Gunpowder!
Perfect timing too, because I was like there first and there. Dude, one gunpowder came over here. I just don't know where it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit.
It takes a while for it to cool off.
Yeah.
But it's like really. Look, it's 50% hot or 50% cool because you got time for it to cool down when it's falling.
Right.
God, dude, I was working today and I almost like snapped my ankle in half.
Did you? Oh shit.
Dude, because I was working and I had like a bucket putting the dead wood in. And I was lifting and I didn't know where my foot was going and I didn't know there was a root. So I just went like,
Fire in the hole!
why was that short?
I don't know. Oh my god.
Is there one in my drink? My diet Dr. Kelp?
I don't know. Hoping not my drink.
Let's put mine like right here just for it to come out.
Yeah, that's not.
That's not gonna happen. Here. I was a bad kid when I was in school. I was a bad kid when I was in schools.
Me too.
I got yelled at so many times.
Same.
I just pretend that I was a good kid just to mess around.
I try to be a good kid.
Me too. I'm still not a good kid till this day.
I've gotten way better.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, when I was in elementary school,
I think I was okay in elementary school.
when I was in like kindergarten, I was okay, but I kept on being like a ladies' man. I still am a ladies' man. No. Hello, doggy. You are skinny. Dude, look how skinny this dog is.
Hold on.
I'll tell you when they're doing it. You'll hear.
They're about to fire it up.
They're
Yeah, sorry, I have a fucking star problem. I'm sorry.
No. I'm sorry that I'm mocking you.
No, you're good. You're good. Fire in the hole! Damn!
Dude, one went right there.
I know, I saw it. Oh.
Let it rain.
It's raining fallout!
Reload.
Reload!
Home is where I sleep.
Yes.
I almost got expelled once. Damn, I forgot about that one.
Really? Oh, damn, dude.
Dude, I got into a fight when I was on the bus. I like pushed some kid's head against the window.
Ooh.
I was like,
Damn.
knocked him out cold.
Damn.
I was like, yeah, next time he should have been dead.
Damn.
I was like, shit, what is that? The bus driver was like, "Get on."
Fire in the hole!
Run! Let it rain.
It's raining fallout!
I kind of want to catch one.
Jojo, you know you want to get down here.
He's falling asleep in the chair.
Oh.
Because one, you're not talking.
This is fun.
I did too, but I'm still awake.
Me too. Because of the Coke and beer.
Coke and rum.
Sure.
Rum and Coke.
Sure.
You should make a rum and Coke.
I don't know how.
I don't make one.
I never had one.
Dude,
I never had one
2
before,
drinks
actually.
in one. Rum, Coke.
Yeah, I never had rum and Coke before.
Make one. I'll go to the bar and get one.
Fire in the hole!
Please tell me you're old enough to get a drink.
Damn.
Falling. Why do I get that perfect timing? Dude, I went boom, boom. Don't breathe it. God, that actually made me do it too.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
That's the impact.
It's easy to see Mark there.
Oh, I'm freaking feet.
Cool. I'm a big fan. Okay. I'm a really big fan of Family Guy and Homer Simpson.
Yeah, me too.
One, Family Guy is funny as hell.
Yes, it is funny.
I love doing that. But I don't do it in front of my girlfriend because, one, it's disgusting. In front of a girl.
I know that.
Okay? No more lighting up fireworks?
No, I'm grabbing the lighter so I can help light more shit at.
What was that? You want
I don't know.
Probably was clearing his throat. He's got a little beard, Mark. Dude, my beard's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, mine too.
Dude, mine goes to like right here.
Mm.
Dude, I was like, hang on, what? I was like 18. I was 18 when I first had this. And then I shaved. And then I just grew it back again.
Junior!
Mm.
He's in the house. Getting a lighter.
Jeff!
Yes?